Hi! Miss you, ma. Dito na ako. Close up.
Lolo.
Oh.
Bagong ligo. Ang tagal mo.
Kamusta?
Hindi pa napipirito yan, tubig pa lang yan.
Yung sinandok mo yun, as in sinabi mo, buksan mo yung kaldero, nanguha na si kuya ng pagkain. Hindi niya alam gagawin.
Luto na, kaya lang, konti pang tubig, pipirituhin. Anak, pirituhin mo nga, magsusuklay lang ako sandali.
O sige.
And the fans are over here. Fans. Wow. That was it. All right. Well, good game.
They won like multiple games and such, so it's pretty good.
Yeah, right.
Before, they
Nice.
actually were in the bottom. Now they won the finals.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
The first one. Continue. Same one.
What's in your mouth? Ano yun? Margarine.
They're all
Ito yung French.
This is the French one?
So yung una, para siyang consistent na yung saltiness niya. Ito, yung French, dahil meron siyang salt crystals. Doon mo malalasahan yung pag... Anong tawag doon? Yung fluctuate ng saltiness. So, tingin mas iba yung impact ng flavor niya.
Ito.
Laki naman ng
Walang masyadong salt.
Dito?
Oh, ano yun?
Ano?
Parang lard.
Lord!
Parang pinagpirito ng ano? Ano yun?
Which one is?
I don't like that one.
Frisco. Cisco.
Smells game. Tastes gamey.
Like,
Like
what's that?
it was left in the fridge for a long time.
Which one?
I don't like that one. Yun lang ba ito lang?
3. Daan. So which is which? The first one is what? There.
The Irish.
The Irish. The second one.
Hindi yung French.
Ang galing
Ano yung
ah.
third one?
You got it all.
What's it?
Old Butter.
Old.
Old Instant Butter.
Ewan ko.
Oh, yung plato. Eh,
It's going in the target.
Plenty of Top Golf fails and reels, so it's great.
I know! That's what I'm saying.
Ay, edit mo naman. Ang delete niya, delete niya. Kakayayang-aya ako niyan. Ito na ba, akala mo wala doon? Second ball! Yang-iya ako eh.
Oh, maganda ka na ng wish.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to...
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Yay!
Yay!
Look sa camera.
Kiss the fish! Kiss the fish!
Kiss the fish.
Kiss the fish! Kiss the fish! Kiss! Kiss! Ooh!
Ice cream pa yung phone.
Hey! You like it, man?
Thank you.
Yes! Sing it again! Wait. Bye. With my mom, this is her birthday party coming up this afternoon. Breakfast. What do you think? I don't know.
Skip this. Okay. And then there's fruit.
They can always get more too.
You can get more. You can get seconds or third.
I would have thought of prior to COVID.
Miss you, ma. Dito na, oo. Close up.
Bagong ligo. Ang tagal mo?
Kamusta?
Ito, okay lang. Check ko yung ano mo. Hindi pa napipirito yan, tubig pa lang yan.
Yung sinundok mo yun, as in sinabi mo, Al, buksan mo yung kaldero, nanguha na si Kuya ng pagkain. Is he gonna hit?
Is the second one hit? I don't know.
This is slow mo.
The second one, the second.
Do it!
Tagal naman.
It's on slow mo.
Huwag mo na slow. Dami eh.
Oh.
Titirahin ba?
I don't know.
Balik ko
Yeah, your swing changed though.
Hit it!
Alam mo yan.
Didn't lose focus.
Hit the third one, hopefully.
Oh, third one siguro. Papaluin pa ulit. O, babalik pa ulit.
Oh, someone hit it already.
In the background.
Tagal. Ayan.
Hi.
Do it!
Ayan. Ah, babalik ulit.
Oh, he's gonna hit it.
It's almost done.
Torture check. You know when you feel embarrassed, it's taking longer.
Video's gonna end.
Ayan. Ayan na.
There will be a boss.
Ay, hindi pa.
Yeah.
Hindi pa rin.
Ang tagal!
Tagal.
Oh! Hey!
Where's Roger?
Ayan na.
Yun na!
Hey! Galing!
Asan?
Kiniwala mo. Oh, that's so much!
Ang bilis yung ano. When you finally hit it, it's too quick. Ang pangit ng producer na.
I didn't hear you, Mitch. I'm sorry. Next. How many hits do you need to do?
But
Five.